Hey, what's up, fellas? Hey, I just want to let y'all know I just finished my floor. Um, got everything in finally. I don't know if y'all knew this, but I fiberglass this whole floor. Fiberglass the whole thing. I used two layers of fiberglass mat, sanded the first layer, then added the second, and then I did 2 layers of Dynamat, and then I used this dynaliner for insulation. Sound and heat, stuff like that. So that's basically what I use this for. So I'm finally done right now. And now I ran my new RCAs from the back of my radio. So I got some custom made ones that I had made. Well, I haven't made it, but somebody else made them for me. So this is done. I'm about to put the carpet back in and hopefully put the seats in and maybe start on a DSP that I got. And then waiting on my doors and waiting on my amplifiers, and then this thing should be up and running.